This Ram 1500 was absolutely dirty. It has been on some construction sites and the lower parts of the truck were really dirty. The camera could not do justice how much dirt that was on the truck because this color likes to hide all the dirt. So guys, thanks for tuning in today. For today, I have this Ram 1500 that is here for a full deep clean. Sit back, relax, enjoy the show, and let's start detailing. These wheels and tires were absolutely dirty because a lot of dirt and gunk was sticking to them. For cleaning the tires and the wheel wells, I am using super clean degreaser. It will break down all the dirt and the grime. For the wheels, I am spraying Adam's iron remover, and then after that I will use Adam's wheel and tire cleaner to clean the wheels. This way all the brake dust is broken down and the wheels are as clean as possible. After washing the wheels, I do apply a sealant on them because they need some protection as well. So I'm using E.S.A 303. This is a touchless sealant, so you spray on and rinse off, and this product works great on wheels and the paint as well. For the running boards, I use Green Star, that is by Karsh Chemi, and this product works great because running boards, they get a lot of dirt on them and they are exterior parts that collect a lot of dirt. So Green Star breaks down all the dirt and grime and it makes those running boards look as new as possible. And guys, all the tools and the product that I'm using in the detail are listed in the description down below, so make sure to check out those links and you can buy these products for yourself. I did buy a new lens for the camera and the camera is getting used to it, and I'm getting used to how to use the lens as well because this has an autofocus. So some of the videos sometimes do get blurry. I really apologize for that. And guys, I really appreciate all the support that you give to the channel. You guys watch the videos, and while you're watching, give it a like as well and comment down below if you can, because this gives the YouTube algorithm a little push and it gives my videos a lot more potential to get more views. So guys, thanks for all the support. I really appreciate it. And if you are new to the channel, if you like to get a lot of detailing information, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel. I tried my best to give as best detailing content as possible. So guys, thank you for all the support and I appreciate it. For the wash process, I start off by rinsing off the truck completely, and then I spray PNS bug off onto the front end because all the bug guts have to be removed. So PNS bug off does a really great job. It melts down and breaks down all the bug guts, and then after that I lay down a foam on top of the truck. And while I'm doing contact wash, I do my clay mitt treatment as well, that is doing mechanical decontamination using a clay mitt. And then after I am done washing the truck, I will do an iron decon as well because this is a lighter colored truck. You can see a lot of iron deposits, and using an iron remover makes the decon process complete and the truck paint is as clean as possible. For this detail, the customer did request an engine bay detail, and I did not get the chance to record that, but I do post before and after pictures on my Instagram page. Not all the details that come across my shop land on YouTube. Some of the details are on time constraint. This truck sometimes goes for car shows, because the customer told me that this is one of the very few trucks that Dodge made, because this truck has certain features that were very limited. This truck ends up on many of the car shows. So guys, make sure to follow me on my other social medias as well, where I post before and afters of many details that do not land on YouTube. As I'm rinsing down the paint, you can see the water is absolutely flat. This shows that the paint is absolutely clean. There are no previous waxes or any kind of sealants or protection left on the vehicle. Now when I apply a sealant on the vehicle, it will bond very well with the paint because the paint is absolutely clean. And again, I will be using E.S.A 303 spray on sealant, and this works amazing on the paint as well. So guys, if you would like to get a paint sealant that is easy to apply, all you have to do is spray it on and rinse it off. E.S.A 303 is a very great product. After drying the truck, the few steps remaining is to make sure clean all the glass inside and out, and then after that I applied tire shine to all the tires. I used 3D Ultra Protectant tire shine, and I applied to the wheel liners as well, because in this truck the plastics were faded, and applying a little bit of tire shine gives them that dark clean finish. And hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or thoughts, make sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And guys, thanks for watching the video. Just like always, I will definitely see you on the next one.